It's like the Escobar Fold 2 has gotten new details, so let's talk about it. Yo, what's up guys, it is your boy Lavon Cason back at it again with another video. So the Escobar Fold 2 has gotten more details. It is sitting at a mere $399 for the model of 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And there's also going to be another model that's going to be 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, available for $549. Now, also too, as far as the camera, there's one in the back as a 12 megapixel main sensor, as a 12 megapixel, telephoto lens. It has a 16 megapixel ultra wide, a 10 megapixel, front facing camera above the foldable screen, another 8 megapixel sensor above the external screen. Now, the big thing about this phone is that it has a Snapdragon 855, and it's a 7.3 foldable display, and it's running Android 10. I feel the big thing about this phone is going to be the price, because a lot of foldable phones right now are a little bit above $1,000. And since this is going to be $399, which is a pretty decent price point, I think it's going to probably do okay. I don't know if it's going to do amazing numbers or anything like that, but I think it's going to do, pretty okay. But what do you guys think of the Escobar Fold 2? Are you guys going to get one? Are you guys not going to get one? I mean, let me know in the comment section below this video. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like button. See you guys later. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.